Hello, I will talk about climate change. Climate change is a long-term and significant change in the climate and weather on Earth as a result of natural changes or as a result of human activity. Climate change may occur both locally and globally. Climate change has affected humans since the beginning of human history, when man had to adapt to the changes that occurred in his environment. For example, the drying of the Sahara, the change from a flourishing place to a desolate place, caused the great migrations of men out of Africa in the distant past. During the Ice Age, the sea level dropped significantly, and thus men could move between the continents. The Earth was exposed to many changes in climate that caused, among other things, natural disasters such as the Little Ice Age, which occurred in Europe at the beginning of the Middle Ages. At the beginning of the 21st century, the use of this term mainly refers to the phenomenon of global warming that has occurred on Earth as a result of increasing emissions of greenhouse gases since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, and to the extremes of weather phenomena such as prolonged drought, floods, tropical storms, heavy hail, freezing or extreme high and low temperatures, which may reach a climate crisis that will gradually worsen. The issue of climate change entered the public consciousness mainly because, in contrast to the historical climate changes that shaped the Earth's climate in the distant past and were caused by a natural source, the current climate change is mainly caused by anthropogenic effects, that is, human activity, and especially the jump in the emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. The first 20 years after methane is released into the air, it absorbs heat 84 times more than carbon dioxide of the same mass. In addition, there are various attempts by men to influence the weather to maximize the benefit to man, for example, by bringing down rain in agricultural areas, or to minimize damage, for example, to weaken tornadoes. This activity is also known as climate engineering. There are conspiracy theories that claim that man is acting with the aim of influencing the climate through artificial means. For example, trying to reduce the solar radiation that penetrates the atmosphere and thereby cool the earth, or claim that the HAARP facility that is officially used to study the ionosphere enables control of the weather. Thank you very much.